Alright. Hopefully this shit's working. Alright. Alright, so I'm guessing you're trying to get into the mod. And you want some instructions how to do it. It's fine. It might be a little confusing. First off, if you have WinZip will work, but I prefer to use WinRAR, which is right here because it's free. I think the download link's right here. I'll throw the URL in the description below if you want to grab it real quick. The mod will not work without it because of the way I formatted it. That being said, there are files inside. If you really don't want to go through the garbage of file picking, then I have the actual files just sitting in the game without them being locked. But anyway, so let's say you want to actually get into the mod. You're gonna double click the locked file. It's gonna give you this password stuff. So I already know what the first password is. It's just not that. I spelt it wrong. Which is this. Once you get that, you're gonna want to hit OK, and it's gonna let you in. Ignore that. Now you're basically just gonna click this. Inside will be usually a text file telling you what needs to go where. I've tried to put the exact spot where you'll need it. This just means we'll go back. You go back. Okay, and then extract to, and then we'll just go back out and hit OK. Now, this is a big file. It'll take a little bit. Okay. So now that it's done, it should be right here. So, that will mean, and I recommend having like a little extra folder on the side of your mod, of the mod, so you can drop like this big thing in. This will not work just yet. You need to go inside, grab this guy, pull him out, go to the actual mod, click him, drag him in. And now you have the actual ability to run the mod. Anyway, I'll get into it and show you how to do the stuff on the inside. My mod. So here we are. Sometimes you'll get multiple different ways to get codes in songs to unlock the next thing. So right now the game is paused. I'm gonna grab snipping tool and do this. Now I don't really need. I can keep playing the song out. It's not a big deal. I've actually played this song a lot, so I'm not going to. There's still some errors with it, so let me get out real quick. All right. So what it's saying is what the song file and then the password. So we go to, what was it? I'm sorry, it's been a bit. Mods, go files. So it's telling us never run away. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna type in Nemophobia. Should work. There we go. All right, so I don't care. Again, just like last time, extract. Grab your little container folder, and then just say, in here, boss. Bam. Now it's in here. So, most of these folders, this is how you're actually going to do it most of the time. Obviously, it'll, again, tell you where you need to put the stuff. So, first of all, never run away. This JSON file goes in weeks. I gotta find it. Mods. Weeks. And you just drop this in here. That way you can run it from the weeks menu without having to do any charting nonsense. Okay, back. We go to data, and this is where the songs are, and you just plop these in. There we go. So now, if I open it back up, alright, so hopefully it should just be able to open up the mod. Just hop in. Okay, and then it runs. I had to do some little playtesting a little bit. Anyway, so the other method for finding stuff is by pressing 7. Well, alright, so the other method to find other songs might not be messages or messages at the end or pop-ups at the end. It might just be you press 7 and then another song will load. Right. And from there, you should be able to find the rest of your way through the mods folder and to hopefully find all of the rest. Let me know if you have any issues. Yeah. I had to fix some junk in the middle of the stupid tutorial. So hopefully you aren't gonna get any issues yourself. I'm unreliable. Feedback is always appreciated. Blah blah blah. Have a good day. Whatever.